Hey, it's Linda Hoggard here. I'm here with my great buddy Madonna Guy, and we're in her clinic in Wynnum, Queensland. And this is a clinic's like a second home for me. I've worked in a few versions of Madonna's clinics over the years because we're really in alignment with how we function both as naturopaths and as the kinesiology that we've practiced. So if you were going to get twins in our field, it's us.
a foot difference in height, but other than that.
So I've been here for a few days with Madonna, and of course we have lots of discussions about the blogs we're reading and the books we're reading and everything. And of course we're also talking about the role of stem cell nutrition, you know, what we love about it in our own lives, but also the edge that it gives us as practitioners. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah, absolutely. And it's sort of like, you know, every so often Linda knows so much about the science behind products that increase stem cell production that she just blows my mind occasionally because she's worked with researchers and people developing amazing products.
I get to have those conversations.
Yeah, so it just sort of always raises my level of knowledge to that next level, which is always so cool. You know, like even the fact that scarring, so scar tissue. So when you get scarring, it's because your body isn't releasing enough stem cells to heal the tissue and recreate it from scratch. So
because what science is telling us is it's essentially that your stem cells can become any type of cell type in the body. So suddenly when you have a trauma and you need more new muscle tissue, whatever the tissue it is that's trying to heal, what the science is now showing is that it's your stem cells that become new cell types of that. And so essentially that build-up of scar tissue is a secondary mechanism coming in when there's not enough of that transfer at a cellular level. And I really see that clinically. You have people that go, whenever I'm needing to heal like cut wound surgery, and then they start accessing something that would allow their stem cell migration to increase at a greater rate. They're just really blown away by the increased healing rates. And so we're, as practitioners, constantly accessing, being able to give people the resources through this amazing product range. And it does give you an edge.
It does. Yeah. And it's sort of like one of those things where we've seen things like enlarged hearts reduced to normal sizes, you know, given we have, and doctors say it can't be done, and I go, well, we've seen it, you know. So anyway, so it's just an amazing product. If anything that's going on in your life where your body isn't regenerating, it's the sort of thing where stem cells can help. And it's not the sort of thing where it's $20,000 for a stem cell, you know, injection. It's like something that's affordable and usable in your everyday life. So it's just one of those amazing things.
Yep, and we just wanted to have a really big shout out about it and say that obviously this is a product that Madonna's available to kind of talk to you about and connect you with it. The product's available all through the European Union, Canada, North America, Mexico, Taiwan, Australia, kind of New Zealand. So
so shoot me a line in underneath here and send me your email and I can send you details associated with that. Soon I'll have the website at the end of this video. I don't have it yet, but I will. And catch you soon.
Okay, cheers.
Cool.